Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking Health with Hanna. I'm Hanna, and this summer I will share recipes from my very own cookbook. These recipes are filled with colorful foods which brings me joy. Each of these meals are full of fresh, healthy ingredients. So let's dive in. Today I am making zucchini boats in a cute little fruit boat for a side dish. I'll be using lean ground beef as my protein, but you can substitute ground turkey, sausage, or meat alternative if you like. The cheese gives calcium and more protein. The zucchini, the marinara sauce, and the fruit are fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This recipe takes a little more time, so let's get going. I have preheated the oven to 375 degrees. I will slice the zucchini in half lengthwise. Next, I put foil in a baking pan and set the zucchini, cut it up in the pan. Cook the zucchini for 15 minutes. Scoop out center with a spoon, but leave a little of the pulp at the ends so the filling stays inside the boat. Chop up the scooped out pulp into used ladle. Sprinkle the Italian seasoning into the boats. Cook meat and onions on medium heat in a medium pan until brown. Drain off any extra grease. I will spoon it out and put it in a glass jar. Then add marinara sauce and chopped zucchini. Let this all simmer for 5 minutes and to blend the flavors. Spoon this mixture into the zucchini boats and sprinkle with cheese. There was some extra meat and sauce in the pan. I will keep it as a leftover for another meal. Bake the zucchini boats for another 15 minutes. Top with fresh basil. If you don't have fresh basil, you can always sprinkle dried basil on top.
And it's a hot pan.
Take a look at these Italian boats. The side dish is another boat made from a peel that I cut in half. I just scooped out the center with the seeds all and will place some grapes that all cut in half. I will add a few wedges of a cutie for more flavor. Let's get all this goodness on a plate. Let me know what you think of this healthy, colorful dinner in the comments below. See you next week. Until then, be kind to yourself and be kind to each other. Bye!